Papa reads us bedtime tales. Mama hugs the sunshine fails. They guide us with their loving care. Always with us, always there. Respect your parents every day. Help them out in every way. Clean your toys and say please. Show your love with hugs and ease. Even when they say no, not yet. They only want the best you get. They teach us right, they help us grow. They love us more than we can know. Respect your parents, big and small. They're your heroes after all. Say I love you every night. Make their hearts feel warm and bright.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe right now.